QuickBooks Error 1722. For quick solutions. Solution 1, Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1, close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2, if you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3, in the Tool Hub, select Installation Issues. Step 4, then select QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool and the tool can run up to 20 minutes. Step 5, when the tool finishes, restart your computer. Step 6, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 2, install the latest Microsoft Windows updates. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2, click on Windows Update at the right side of the screen. Step 3, to get the latest updates, turn on the toggle next to get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Step 4, click on Check for Updates and it'll start looking for available updates. Step 5, if there's an update available, it'll start downloading and install the update. Step 6, once the update is done, click on Restart Now. Step 7, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solution 3, manually fix Windows components. Step 1, click on the search icon, type in Control Panel and open it. Step 2, set the view by to large icons and go to Programs and Features. Step 3, then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Step 4, locate the .NET framework, uncheck them, and press OK. Step 5, once Windows has completed the requested changes, click on Restart Now. Step 6, when the system turns back on, open the search menu by clicking the search icon. Step 7, type in Windows Features and open Windows Features, turn on or off. Step 8, in the Windows Features window, turn the .NET frameworks back on and click OK. Step 9, next, select Let Windows Update download the files for you, and it'll start downloading the files. Step 10, once Windows has completed applying the requested changes, click on Close. Solution 4, Re-install QuickBooks in Selective Startup. Step 1, press the Windows plus or keys to open Run command. Step 2, enter msconfig and then click on OK. Step 3, in the General tab, select Selective Startup and load System Services. Step 4, now go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and click on Disable all. Step 5, next, uncheck Hide all Microsoft services, select Window Installer from the list and click on OK. Step 6, on the System Configuration window, click on Restart. Step 7, click on the Windows Start menu, search for Control Panel and open it. Step 8, select Uninstall a program under Programs. Step 9, from the list of programs, select your version of QuickBooks Desktop and then click on Uninstall/Change. Step 10, then select Remove and click on Next. Step 11, now, download the QuickBooks as you would normally from the official website and install it. Step 12, once done, press the Windows plus or keys to open Run dialog box. Step 13, type in msconfig and then click on OK. Step 14, in the General tab, select Normal Setup and click on OK. Step 15, on the System Configuration window, click on Restart. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.